Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be opening up this Team Skull pin collection. Let's see if I can get all of this in the shoot. Or in the shot, I mean. There we go. I'm going to get right into this. I've been buying old box sets I see at like Walmart, Target, anything like that. Just because I don't have a lot of the older cards because I did start in the tag teams. Oh, even the inside of the box looks cool. It's really cool, actually. Oh, look at this little pin. Show you guys the promos. That's Salazzle, looks cool. Salad in it, and we cannot get these cards out. There we go. The Wimpod. Looks like I have Evolutions, a Breakpoint, Breakthrough, and 2 Burning Shadows. I've not actually opened any of the break sets. Is that for you? Let me know if you guys get anything out of that. But we're going to start with those. So we're going to do Breakthrough first. I do not know the card trick on this, guys. I'm assuming it's 3. If I mess that up, I am so sorry. These cards feel weird too. Chespin, Rolls, Magnemite, Finnegan, Kanchan, Teddy Ursa, Krillesia. Actually, yeah, I think I actually did that right on that, so that's actually cool. Drowsy yelling. Is it 3 or 4? I'm gonna do 3. We got Nuzleaf, Pokemon Catcher, Energy, Drowsy, Spritzy, Temple, Clefairy that looks confused, Chikorita, Dancing Hypno. Gonna get right into the Evolutions pack, and then we'll open up those Burning Shadows. I opened up a Burning Shadows pack, and one of my box sets, or the tin can, was it a tin can? I don't remember. It was either a tin can or a box set I just had and got a full champ, so I'm actually really excited for that. And I think I just messed that up. Energy? I did. Beedrill, Super Potion, Brock Scrape, Maintenance, Poliwag, Diglett, Seal, Nidoran, Ponyta. So the Beedrill was the rare. And that's what it should have been. So if we pull something out of this, now I got a cool pin, I guess. Burning Shadows is 4. I do know that much. Wishful Baton, Magikarp, Pansear, Cutiefly, Panpour, Pikachu, Raticate, and Asmurl. Last pack magic, hopefully. Energy, Lana, Seviper, Gloom, Panpour, Pikachu, Krogunk, Pansage, Stuffle, Meowth, and Lycanroc. So I actually got 0 pulls out of that, guys. That's okay. I'll show you guys the pro modes then. Wimpod, Saladin, Salazzle, and Glycopod. Thank you guys for tuning into this video. See you guys next time.